Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, and a modern editor, then decide how to consume Bootstrap. Choose CDN for speed, NPM for package control, or download for offline use. Once done, scaffold an HTML file with the responsive meta viewport and link the Bootstrap CSS in the head before custom styles. Make sure to place a container element to test layout. Then add the Bootstrap JS bundle at the end of body, so interactive components will work properly. Now you build the UI using the grid and components. Start with container and row, then add colsm6 or colmd4 to control breakpoints. Once layout is stable, introduce components like navbar and cards for structure and forms for input. Make sure to apply utility classes to adjust spacing and alignment quickly. If you need bespoke styles, compile Bootstrap source with Sass and override variables, so you maintain an upgrade path while tailoring colors, spacing, and typography. Finish by testing and optimizing. You should run responsive checks across devices, tweak breakpoints if components stack awkwardly, and optimize delivery by purging unused CSS and deferring non-critical scripts. Once done, enable compression and set cache headers. If things go wrong, inspect the browser console for JS errors, verify CSS specificity when styles don't apply, and make sure the correct Bootstrap version is loaded. Finally, build a small reproducible example to isolate the issue, then fix incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.